My name is John Batten and I have the privilege of being the chair of the Foundation for Surgery, the philanthropic arm of your college. We are very fortunate to live in a country that has done well in the COVID crisis. This, however, is not the case in many of our closest neighbours, such as Timor-Leste, Papua New Guinea and the Pacific, where poor health equity, lack of access to health care and limited capacity infrastructure, and more recently natural disasters like cyclone and flooding, have further impacted on their communities, increasing their health needs and showing the fragility of their health infrastructure. The health equity gap is further emphasised by the inequity of the COVID vaccine rollout. Access to health care has never been so important. In the Pacific and Timor-Leste, few communities have access to a doctor and fewer still access to a qualified surgeon. They urgently need our help, and you understand the value of surgery. The Foundation has secured co-funding for this campaign, so your donation will go 5 times further. If I can raise $300,000 with the help of compassionate colleagues like yourself before June 30th, every dollar you give will go 5 times further. That means a donation of around $400 could have an impact of over $2,000. In a country like Vanuatu, there are only 4 surgeons. One of those is Dr. Trevor, who I had the pleasure to work with over the last 10 years. You might remember Dr. Trevor's request in my recent letter. He said, "Too many kids simply don't make it. We need more training, more surgeons, and more systems will make us significantly more effective." Through our programs and with your assistance, we can support surgical colleagues like Trevor who are committed to their communities to build their infrastructure, train more surgeons and set up national health plans. They can't do it on their own and the need is urgent. Now more than ever, it is time to show our support for our neighbouring communities in the Pacific and Timor-Leste. Please consider giving a donation now at surgeons.org/donations or contact the Foundation Manager, Jessica Redwood. As you're aware, 100% of your donation goes to the program, all the administrative costs met by our college. Thank you.